Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete your Google account on Android. This will permanently remove all your Gmail, YouTube, photos, and other Google data, so make sure you really want to do this. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open any Google app or your Chrome browser on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to delete. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings page. Okay, tap on the search icon at the top right. It looks like a magnifying glass. Type in Delete, and you'll see the option Delete your Google account pop up. Tap on that. Here's the thing. Google will show you everything that'll be deleted. This includes your Gmail, YouTube channel, Google Photos, Drive files, calendar events, and basically everything connected to your account. Make sure you read through all of this carefully. If you want to save any of your data before it's deleted, you can tap on Download Your Data at the top. This lets you back up everything before it's gone forever. Once you're ready, scroll down and check the two boxes to acknowledge that you understand your account and all its data will be permanently deleted. Then tap Delete Account at the bottom. Google will ask you to enter your password one final time to confirm. Type it in and tap Delete Account again. And that's it. Your Google account is now permanently deleted. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.